Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix Chrome extension search results not working. So if this ever happened, what you could try to do is you could just simply go to the three dots over here on the top right corner of the screen, and now over here you could just simply go for the extensions, and you will have an option over here, manage extensions. So guys, this happens because sometimes you have extensions turned on. So to test it out, just simply turn off all your extension, and once you have turned it off, of course, just simply close out your Chrome and just simply relaunch the Chrome, and that should fix the issue. If it doesn't, you can just simply turn them on one by one and restart the Chrome, and after that you should be able to fix the issue, so you could find which extension is causing the problem. Now, if it doesn't work, just simply go ahead and go to the three dots over here on the top right corner, and then you can just simply go for the settings into your Chrome. Now, over here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, reset settings, on the left side of the screen. And as you can see, you will have an option, restore settings to their original defaults. So from this, guys, it will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable the extension, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. And you can just simply select reset settings, and mostly this can fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.